guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making homemade chili.
It's very popular for Super Bowl parties, so that's coming up this Sunday.
And we have a lot of other recipes on our channel that you can use for your Super Bowl parties, but one of our popular ones that's just for a football or Super Bowl party is our snack stadium. We did that last year for the Super Bowl, and if you want to watch that video also, you can click up here. Make sure you check out the links in the description to all of our social medias and some other stuff. And also make sure that you leave a like and a comment telling us what you want us to make next. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing we want to do is put the hamburger in. I got a pretty good size roaster here, and you could always half this recipe if you just have it for a few people. I'm making it for a lot of people. So this is about 2 pounds of hamburger, and I'm just going to put some salt and pepper, not a whole lot, just kind of, because the seasoning I'm going to put in is kind of salty too, so I'll just put a little bit for now, and then we'll taste it and see if it needs more. And I'm going to go ahead and add an onion. This is a large red onion, but it doesn't matter. I just didn't have any others, so usually I use the yellow cooking onions, but whatever you've got is fine. So we're just going to fry this, get the hamburger browned, and then we'll be back. Okay, we got our hamburger browned. I'm going to dump it to get the grease out. Okay, get out as much as you can. Okay, now we're ready to add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, put it back on the burner. I'm going to add 3 cans of chili beans. I don't drain them, I just leave the gravy in there. And we're going to add 1 can of black beans. These are all 15-ounce cans. So 3 chili beans, 1 black bean. 2 cans of tomato soup. Turn the burner back on to medium. Mix this. Then I'm going to add a packet of chili seasoning. Mix all that up. Add the tomato juice. This is a 46-ounce tomato juice. And then I like to add a jar of salsa, or maybe a half a jar. Then I'll taste it and maybe add a little bit more, but it's a 16-ounce jar, and we'll try half and see how that is. We might need more just to spice it up a little. So I'm going to add a little bit more tomato juice. I had about 1/4 of a bottle in the refrigerator, so I'm going to use it first. I might not have to open a second one. That's all there is to it. And then just the simmering part is very important. You want to simmer it at least 1 hour, and 2 would not hurt, but usually I'll simmer it about 1 hour, then I put it in the crock pot and leave it all day just on warm. Okay, here's our chili after we simmered it. And like I say, you can always put it in the crock pot and just leave it on warm if you don't need it till supper time. And then, this Magnolite cooker I've had, I think, 46 years now. seems like it's my go-to for everything. I love it. Just, it's nice and big and cooks good, even and everything. So, but, okay, so we're ready to try it.
Okay guys, we're back and the chili is done. We got crackers, onion, and cheese. Grandma's sour cream. This is a really good chili recipe. It's easy, and this is the same recipe that Grandma used to win a chili cook-off our church had last year, last fall.
Last fall. Yeah, a couple of years ago we had a chili cook-off. It was at our church, and my sister was there, and she was standing around all the crock pots that had chili in them, and I said, which one's the best? And she said, I don't know, but don't get that one. She said, it tastes like it's out of a can, and it was my chili. So we've laughed and laughed about that. I didn't win that year, by the way. If you like it really spicy, you could add a can of Rotel to it, or put some jalapenos in it. And of course, we've got our milk. Because we like milk.
Thank you for watching. If you make this chili, make sure you let us know and send us pictures. We like to see when you make our stuff. Also be sure to leave a like if you enjoy. Check out our other Super Bowl video with our snack stadium. Tell us in the comments who you want to win, the 49ers or the Chiefs. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.